I was gonna load up eh. Ayokong istorbohin si ano eh. Hello, good morning. So either we go to do maintenance on the car for its 5,000 kilometer, or we go golfing in the cliffs. We'll see where this car takes us. Galing sa Bawang yan.
Mga
Galing sa Bawang, nandito pa rin. Libre pa masahe, San Juan na.